Welcome everyone to this detailed review of the RK Royal KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is designed for users who want a compact, feature-packed experience with innovative functions that elevate both productivity and gaming. Today we'll explore its unique capabilities, including the smart display, versatile connectivity options, top-mount design, sound-absorbing features, and the joy of hot swappable switches. First, let's dive into the smart display. With its big features on a small screen philosophy, the S98 boasts an integrated display capable of showing a custom GIF image, current date, connection mode, Win-Mac layout, and even battery status. This innovative screen not only draws your attention, it provides real-time updates, making your keyboard an interactive device. Complementing this is the cleverly designed knob. With just a simple twist or a click, you can effortlessly adjust the volume, change connection modes, control the backlit brightness and speed, and cycle through RGB modes and colors. This level of control brings a personalized touch to your setup. Connectivity is another strong point. The S98 supports BT 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and USB-C wired connection, ensuring seamless switching across devices with minimal lag issues. Whether you're working on your desktop or gaming on your mobile device, this keyboard brings versatility while delivering a stable connection. The gaming-friendly top-mount design further separates it from other models. Not only does it provide superior tactile feedback, but its construction has been refined to reduce noise through integrated sound-absorbing foams, including an IXP switch dampener pad and 2 layers of thicker foams along with a silicone dampener pad. The result is a truly creamy and thocky sound profile that many users will appreciate for both gaming and long typing sessions. The hot swap feature offers the freedom to replace switches without the hassle of soldering, meaning you can customize your typing experience over time. Paired with double-shot PBT keycaps that deliver superior feel and durability, the overall build quality of the RK S98 makes it a compelling choice in the competitive mechanical keyboard market. Of course, no product is without its minor drawbacks. Some users might find the learning curve of the smart display and knob challenging at first, and the compact layout may not suit everyone's typing style. However, compared to similar keyboards in this category, the S98 holds its own with a well-rounded balance between innovative features and conventional keyboard ergonomics. To make the most out of your S98, we recommend exploring the customizable software settings and experimenting with different switch configurations. This way, you can tailor the keyboard precisely to your preferences. Overall, the RK Royal KLUDGE S98 is an excellent choice for gamers, professionals, and keyboard enthusiasts seeking a versatile and feature-rich keyboard. Thank you for listening, and have a great day, viewers.